Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we have bullish breakouts, so we are in the uptrend. Okay, in the long run, for in next few months, we are going for this high. I'm telling you today. Okay, I'm telling you today, we're going for this high that could take 2-3 months, maybe just 1 month. Okay, so we are at 152 already, and this high was at 158. So we gonna go for another 500 pips very easily. That could happen in 1 month, 2 months. I don't take any guarantees. Okay, but we are going for this high. That's all I can say. We are gonna take down this high because positional traders entered here. Okay, this candle was the entry for the positional traders, and now they're waiting and waiting for this high. That's your weekly time frame. We are in the uptrend. Okay, so weekly we are above the EMA. Daily we are above the EMA. 4 hour we are above the EMA. You will be stupid to take shorts. Okay, so look for trade with the trend and look for longs. Okay, but you can't enter just blindly. Okay, because if you see here, this Friday candle has rejected. Okay, okay, so this was your previous high and it touched the previous high. This is your resistance now, and it has rejected it. What does it mean? It means this is a short term double top. Okay, short term double top means this high was not able to break this high. Okay, this is a short term reversal called pullback. Coming back to 4 hour, what is your entry? In 4 hour, you'll have to wait for the price to touch this EMA. That's gonna happen. I'm telling you right now. Okay, don't go for long right now. Wait for the pullback until the EMA, the price will fall. Okay, in Delhi we have the rejection double top. It's gonna come down as a pullback only. Okay, then in 4 hour the pullback will happen until the EMA. Then you will have the engulfing blue candle. That will be your entry. Okay, if you want to counter trade, look for shorts right now. Otherwise, wait for the rejection from the EMA, then engulfing blue candle, and then you go long, and that's your free money. Okay, so if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join free Telegram, join brokers, and get this software if you want. And I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.